So over here, you can see that I have this particular file right here in Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you want to go ahead and, let's say, for example, send this particular sequence right here into Adobe Media Encoder directly without actually rendering the file from here, you can actually select out the sequence and then go to File for that. And then you can go to Export, and here you can see that Send to Adobe Media Encoder is an option. Simply go ahead and click, and what happens is that it loads up Adobe Media Encoder after that right here. And now you can see that a new file is being loaded, and there you go. You can see that the sequence that I chose right here has now been loaded up right here, and you can go ahead and choose whatever file format you want, and then manage out your export of Adobe Premiere Pro directly from here. Alternatively, you can actually save the file individually and load it up right here. That is, load up the Premiere Pro project from here. Or you can go ahead and use this approach and send your sequence directly to Adobe Media Encoder as well. So that is how you can go ahead and send your sequence directly from Premiere Pro to Adobe Media Encoder. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.